got some very nice scrapping. Hopefully it affects a couple of bits, so I can definitely get 2 of my bunch goals. I'm ready to buy some more on them anyway. It's just 2 people on the side of the road, so I'm walking, letting them walk, speeding past quick. Then I can cross over the road, expect some scrap. You might not see what's there. You might not see what I'm doing. Like nah, you won't able. You can see what I'm doing now, but you can't see me when it's in the dark. So I get some day like the water fast. Not crossing over yet. Yeah, so I've got the big trolley. I was going to wait till morning. I wasn't going to wait till morning, but I thought, let's get some more night scrapping. It's January and all. Yeah. So that's why I'm going over there. But I'm just going a bit more to the left. With the ball also. That's the way I'm opening up the cross. Right guys. I'm going to cross this road. Look coming, so actually I might have to cross it. Yeah. Like that. See you in the morning. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is what I did collect last night. Yeah. That was already smashed when I collected it, so I didn't break that. Yeah. No, today. That's just kind of just in case. If you want to see the video of me taking this apart, I don't think there's much. Yeah. No. Can't see that all. Yeah. If anybody took one of these apart before, if it's any good, please put your link in the description, in comments, and now I will look at your video of you taking this apart. If you know what's inside of what, I'm trying to find a web page or somewhere on the internet of these being taken apart or what's in one of these, but I can't find nothing. So if anybody can put some links in the description, yeah, that would be good. Is somebody already put a link in? Please don't put any more links in after somebody has already done it, because I don't want to keep getting scammed with links in comment. So if anybody's got any ideas what is anything decent in this, please let me know. This is part 1. It might be a part 1, not sure. If it is, it might be a part 2 in the description. Or I might do it one day, I might do a video on it. Right guys. See you soon.